I know what you guys are thinking. Where can I buy that t-shirt Henner's wearing? No, scratch that. Why hasn't Henner taught me how to drink my own pee? Chinese monks do it. Bear Grylls does it. Even Lyoto Machida does it. Well, today I'm going to show you, my friends, the Gracie way. Follow me. First, you're going to need to buy a piss goblet from GracieAcademy.com. Now follow carefully. Here's all there is to it. You lower the Gracie goblet below your penis. And make sure you do it standing up. I tried doing this sitting down once, and the pee splashed all over my brother Hiron. And do not try this if you have a boner. Hopefully I don't need to explain that one. Ah, damn. Feels good. Now here's the tricky part, okay? Take the lemon, you cut it into wedges. Now you all know my lemon cutting skills are second to none. And I've been getting thousands of messages from people all over the world saying, Henner, teach us how to cut lemons like you do. And to those people, I say shame on you. I can't teach you everything. Pretty soon you'll be asking me to make tutorials on how to take a crap. Which isn't a bad idea, by the way. Tune in next week for the Rener Gracie squat and push. Okay, back to the lemons. It's all about the squeeze and flick. Squeeze, flick. Squeeze, flick. Squeeze, boom, beautiful. Gracie Jiu-Jitsu, my friends. Gracie Jiu-Jitsu. Any leftover lemon wedges, you can donate them to the cause. Keep it real. Now what a lemon does is it neutralizes the toxins and the natural bacteria in the piss and turns it into a delicious nutrient-rich drink. The pee contains all the essential amino acids needed for survival. My grandfather used to drink this. And trust me, in a few years, everybody's going to be drinking this. Kim Kardashian, Madonna, Joe Rogan, everybody. Dang. So delicious. Such a privilege. And you can also blend it with some premium organic acai berry if you want your piss to taste like the Amazon rainforest. I'm going to let you guys work on this yourself. In the meantime, go to GracieAcademy.com, sign up for Gracie University. For a limited time only, Gracie Jiu-Jitsu can be yours to keep, my friends. You know, someone came up to me the other day and said, Henner, relax. Who fucking cares? It's just Jiu-Jitsu. Guys, it's not just Jiu-Jitsu. It's a way of life. It's enlightenment. If you haven't embarked on the journey with us yet, the Gracie journey, what are you waiting for? My friends, I can lead you to the toilet, but I can't make you drink. Dang.